Hello, welcome to That's in Kitchen. Today I am making a classic, easy coleslaw salad that's perfect for any meal. Did you know you can make a delicious coleslaw in just 10 minutes? Let's get started. With some cabbage and a few basic ingredients, this will be a good side dish for almost any occasion. First, we need to prep the vegetables. Start with 2 leaves of green cabbage, remove the thick core from the middle of the leaves and shred the cabbage as thinly as you like. Next, carrots. They add color, a little sweetness and great flavor. I use a box grater to shred my carrots. Now, cut an apple into 4 pieces and remove the seeds. Grate the apple and add it to a large mixing bowl. I've tried many coleslaw recipes and this is the best creamy coleslaw dressing for my family. It's the perfect blend of creamy, zesty and fresh. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of sugar. Optionally, you can add celery seeds and Dijon mustard for extra flavor. But I am keeping it simple today. You can adjust the sweetness and tanginess to your taste. Pour the dressing over the salad and mix until everything is well coated. For the best flavor, let the coleslaw sit in the fridge for at least an hour to allow the flavors to melt and the cabbage to soften. This coleslaw is not only delicious, but also a great way to add some crunch and freshness of your meals. Trust me, you will love this homemade coleslaw recipe. Serve this coleslaw with just about anything. It's perfect to summer cookouts. I love it with burgers, turkey burgers and grilled chicken. It's also excellent served on top of the sandwiches. Thanks for watching. See you next time on That's in Kitchen.